YouTube, we're back. We've got a bit of a garden clearance here at an apartment block. They've had some roofing work done, so haven't been able to get on site. First visit, we're going to do a bit of a garden blitz, tidy through all the hedges, spray any weeds, just have a general sort of tidy up, get it ready to then maintain once a month. So let's go for a quick walk around, we'll show you what it's looking like, and then let's get some tools out. So as you can see, got some gullies to clear out here, bushes are all overgrown. A few of these we're just going to side up, get all these cut back, so paths are all back to the wall. We'll have to trim up the top of this at some point. Some small lawn sections here. Hedge there. We got bees or wasps everywhere here, so we'll get some nice edges put on these. Same as through here, we'll edge through. A few weeds to spray along the entrance. Bit of debris down here, just a bit of weed in there, and then yeah, small grass bit here. Let's get cracking. So this is just about to start flowering, but I'm just going to cut the sides off for now, get this shaped up. Same as down here, it's got to be done. I think that wall's a bit bent. There we go. We're getting there already. Obviously the paths are opened up now. I do think this section here, bring the height down on this and another visit. But yeah, I think just along here we'll have a blow through, spray the weeds. Cleaned all this gully out. I thought this was actually going to be really deep, but it wasn't. It's just a layer of dust. There's all bits from the roof that's been done, which is a bit annoying, but that's why we're in here. Wisteria here is going absolutely wild, so I've got to sort of tame this somehow.
You've got something battling that target.
So, all finished now, first visit done, bit of a clearance. It's not the prettiest site, but it's an improvement. So I'll just take you for a quick spin round now. Weeds have just been sprayed in all the hard standing areas, so obviously now everything's sort of cut back. Along here you can get in the pathways, gullies are all clear, all cut back along here now. Going to bring this one down at some point. We're here once a month now, so yeah, leaves is collected as best we can. We trim these, we haven't mown these today. Put a bit of an edge on. Top of the hedge here is done. Along here's got a bit of definition now. Just sprayed all this bit with weed killer. Along here, this one's just been cut back. Yeah, it's first visit done. Now we can maintain. A few bits to cut back on the roses and stuff. Need to have a big tidy up down there. But overall, it's looking a lot more presentable for now. All done. Thanks for watching, guys. Any comments, get them down below. Please like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're going to be coming back with regular weekly videos. So stick around and I'll see you soon.